Alright guys, I was having a very small problem. It's after the update, every time I click image, it keeps saying this not implemented. User OneDrive, blah blah blah. So what I just did is I sign out my OneDrive. It's not sign in, so I just completely sign out. I prepare to install it. I feel like this OneDrive is the reason this error occurring. So I'm just gonna quit this now. If I search and it's like it opened it automatically, so make sure you sign out and disable the OneDrive. If that doesn't work, you can go to Task Manager, come to this, find the Windows Explorer, and you can like in task it or restart it. Go to over here, double click it, it should work. Also, I need to know which update it was. It is yesterday update basically causing this. So it says system restore. Okay, so this protection is on, so you can click system restore. It'll bring back when you had a good system, right? So it's basically before the update. So I have this one is 29th October, and this one's after the update. So I think this one is good. It's full free to system restore it, but I currently fixed. Wait, why is not? I thought I'm not recording. Camera